Hello, this is Paul Reiber, Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at a 2015 Blizzard Pearl, stock number 24616, Blizzard Pearl 2015 Toyota Sienna XLE, loaded up with leather interior, bucket seats, heated front seats, power sunroof, power push-button rear entry wheelchair accessible ramp. This vehicle comes with dual power sliding doors and a power rear hatch. So the power rear hatch is a one key fob, and then there's a second key fob for the actual power wheelchair accessible ramp that deploys. Here at Freedom Motors, we have hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles. We have Toyota Siennas, Chrysler Pacificas, Dodge Grand Caravans. We also have pickup trucks, Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras, Chevy Silverados, Chevy Suburbans, GMC Yukons. This has got bucket seats, you can see here. It's got a brand new floor, just been refurbished and just been converted into a wheelchair accessible vehicle. Rear air conditioning, backup camera, heated leather seats in the front, power sunroof. Only 31,000 miles, so it's got low miles on the chassis. Beautiful pearl blizzard white color. 2015 model. XLE. If you're in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please check out our full and huge website, huge inventory on our website at freedommotors.com. You can check out our virtual walkarounds of all their vehicles, all the different kind of vehicles that we sell by going to our YouTube page. Bucket seats here. Gray leather interior. It's like brand new, very, very nice, very clean, low mileage, gorgeous vehicle. For pricing information, please get a hold of our sales department for pricing. We offer free in-house demos coast to coast across the whole United States. We have sales force in the field offering free in-house demos. We offer nationwide shipping as well for additional charge. So you see here there's two fobs. This is the original factory key fob for the power doors and the power rear hatch. Just one of many, many dozens and dozens of wheelchair accessible vehicles we have here at Freedom Motors. We have them starting from $11,999 and going all the way up to over $80,000 for brand new Suburbans and Yukons. We have a Cadillac Escalade also that we're in the midst of converting. So you can see here the second key fob here. Number 2 brings the wheelchair accessible ramp back up, and number 1 deploys it. So you got your up and down button with the 1 and 2 with the key, the Freedom Motors key fob, and then you got your original factory key fob as well for the power rear hatch. Beautiful vehicle, like brand new. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. We're located at Battle Creek, Michigan. Been in business for over 30 years, and we offer wheelchair accessible rear entry vans, side entry vans, driver side entry pickup trucks, and passenger side as well. You can literally drive our pickup trucks and Suburbans and SUVs right from your wheelchair in some models. Beautiful vehicle, like brand new. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Automatic rear entry, 2015 Toyota Sienna, Blizzard Pearl, only 31,000 miles. Dual power sliding doors, power sliding rear hatch. Automatic rear entry, wheelchair accessible ramp made right here at Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. XLE model, the top of the line, XLE. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Battle Creek, Michigan. Freedom Motors USA, we're a family-owned business, and we dedicate our lives to make the lives of folks in wheelchairs a little bit easier. And not only to ride in a minivan, but crossovers and trucks and SUVs, cars, Kia Souls, Kia Sorrentos. We have the same sort of a setup here in Kia Sorrentos and SUVs, so you don't have to, if you don't want to drive a minivan, you don't have to. We do have options, lots of options. Check out our whole entire inventory at freedommotors.com. It's got Bluetooth audio, does not have navigation. It does have heated seats. Here's your controls for your heating and your rear air conditioning. Backup camera. Very nice van. Just one of many, many options we have. Here's your power sunroof It's a spoiler style that pops up like so. Beautiful. If you're interested in this van or any wheelchair accessible vehicle, please check out our entire inventory at freedommotors.com. Give us a call with any questions, 1-800-625-6335. That's Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Please hit the subscribe button on the YouTube page.